and Xewani, welcome back to my channel. My name is Boitumelo and Rikhotso. Thank you so much for watching. Today is the 10th of May 2021, so it is exactly 5 months since my hair transplant. So I thought to come and give you a quick update of where we are. I decided to comb my hair out a little bit today, just to give you an idea of how my hair overall looks like. As you can see, this side is a bit longer than this side. Also at the back, the bottom part has a lot less hair compared to the upper part. So yeah, this is now 5 months and this is what we look like. The hair is obviously uneven, but I'll get it leveled up in a few weeks or a few months time. I'm not in so much of a hurry to do that.